Quoting from Info site, the Embassy of Poland in the Philippines has announced that the first 5 of 16 ordered units of S-70I Blackhawk combat utility helicopters, Qs, for Philippine Air Force, PAF, are arriving soon. The first batch of 5 helicopters Blackhawk S-70I intended for the Philippine Air Force produced in Poland by PZL in the hold of the aircraft AN-124 Ruslan has probably already landed on November 9 at 10 a.m. at the airport in Pla, the Polish embassy said. The purchase of 16 S-70I combat utility helicopters manufactured by the Polish Aviation Works Mielec, PZL Mielec, is an excellent example of cooperation between our two countries, said Jeroens Spankiewicz, charge d'affaires of the Embassy of the Republic of Poland in Manila. The Polish embassy noted that 16 Blackhawks were ordered under PAF's Combat Utility Helicopter, Phase 3, acquisition project, which is a Horizon 2 phase priority project under the current Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, modernization project.